Hey yo everybody, Sweetbreatz here, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime logos. Now I'm going to be opening up Fonto, and I'm going to be making a DPI image of 2 inches, so that's 300 by 300. It doesn't necessarily have to be 300, but 300 DPI is a good amount of digital property for a perfect picture to render. I'm going to open up a old PNG of Kirby because he's fluffy and cute. I got this ready before recording, but you have to make sure your image is a PNG, or you can cut it out yourself. Preferably it's an image that you owned. I'm just using him because I didn't want to use anything else. But to add texture, I usually start with a circle because most slime logos are a circle. And people use a 2-inch hole puncher or the Avery labels. It fits very well with the Avery labels as well. So of course our theme is going to be pink. And I just went through and scrolled through the colors until I got a perfect color that I really liked. And I used it as the background for my Kirby. You want to make sure that your circle is a even number all the way around, so you won't end up with an oval, but make sure you get the borders of your circle as well. Sometimes the borders will get cut off when you use Fonto. That's just how Fonto works. It's just very sedity like that. I want to add another shape to give it a little bit more depth. So I went with a diamond. And when you add an accent, you might want to go with a darker color. So I chose this very dark pink, and I'm going to put it behind my curvy, but in front of my circle. After that's done, I'm going to size up the curvy. Then we're going to be getting into the text portion. So I decided to name this little slime shop or whatever Kirby K Slimes. So you're going to go through, I'm going to pick a font. And this is the same thing that I use for my thumbnails anyway. But I'm just going to pick a random font that will look kind of good with the Kirby. I chose Chubby B. And I'm just typing Kirby K Slimes. You want to get one strip of letters first. Then make sure you get that whole style or whatever for those letters. And when you get that, you want to duplicate those same letters. That way all of the styles match up. So let's just go ahead and just configure this, and then I'll be right back. Okay, once you got your style ready, all you're going to do is going to mess with the text, see what size you would like the text to be. Would you like to cover up your little PNG, or would you want more text than letters, or more text than pictures, or whatever? It's really based on your personal preference. This is just a quick tutorial on how I make logos for my slime shop, but I use my original art anyway, so it really doesn't matter what my logos look like. But at the end of this video, I'm going to show you more examples of the logos that I made with Fonto. That way you can get an idea of what you want to do for your slime shop. So let's go ahead. Once you get your perfect style, you're going to duplicate that first one that you did. So like you're going to press the duplicate button and make multiple copies, and then go through and edit the text. That way all of your text is the same for your logo. Right now I'm just really configuring all the basics and where each section of letters is going to go and what looks good with the logo itself. Okay, I'm about to finish up right about now, but once you're done, you have to cut out your logo to take the white background off completely. So you're going to go into something else and cut it out from there. But you can take it to Avery, or you can print it out with Google Docs. Okay, everybody, here is my final logo, and what I decided to do, I decided to make it puffy pea slimery to give it a little bit more texture, and I also added these custom slime jars that I drew on IBS Paint. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and I'll send you a link to my shop down in the channel if you want to purchase some slime, and have a great day. Bye, guys. Peace.